DEKOR is known for innovation and engineering small lights with amazing output. I'm presenting to you our Shelly light. It's a very petite, small light that has limitless applications. I'm showing you an ensconce application here, as well as an uplight. You can use it on a stair riser, a dock pathway, many of interior applications such as underneath a cabinet, on top of a cabinet, or even on the side of the cabinet above the sink. The Shelly light is the most universal light on the market. It's small in size. It's 5/8 of an inch high by 1.7 inches long. It has 3 next-gen lights, LEDs, with amazing light output. We named this light the Shelly light simply because it has a shell-like appearance. For more information or to order the Shelly light, please contact dekorlighting.com.